So beautiful property in Wayanad. You can see a lake, beautiful lake. You have a beautiful sunset in the evenings. Trees around, and this is the cottage where we're staying. Amazing place. So the riverside is there. I'll try to take you there and show you the places around. So there is a mountain there, but it's hidden with the fog, with the sky. If you can see it properly. So let's go down and show you the place. It's amazing. Let's go and visit the place down.
I am in Western with cold. When here. In West would feel cold.
So we are towards Riverside. Let's go. Beautiful pathway.
She's scared actually of snakes.
So I can see a touch me not plant here. Let's touch it and make it sleep. Yes. I don't know which plant is this, but please comment below and let me know what is this plant. It's really beautiful. So what are you doing, man?
Playing with touch me not.
Then why are you touching it?
Because every time there is a signboard, don't touch me, but we still touch.
This is a human nature, man. Yeah, a lot of. So this is the leaf where we use it for tea. It's good for health. The
really.
flower,
Not really.
not this.
Look at the honey. Ants on this.
Oh, they're
Looks
huge.
like this was the hob of bees.
Yeah. No, not bees. This is not.
That's made by ants on black ants.
Yeah. It's huge.
Snake will be sleeping. He'll get up by them only.
So we saw 2 snakes last night here at this road.
One
So
black mamba and one cobra.
Yeah, one black mamba and one cobra.
I love it.
Peace with fresh air. No? So this is how he takes his reels into picture. There's a villa here. There is some sort of plantation, you can see. I don't know, I'm really bad at plants. This one is papaya. Hopefully. The leaves look really beautiful. So these ones right here, so these are turmeric plant. So we use this leaves for, like, you know, making rotis. So this is the end of the road. So So let's go to a river. Hopefully we can take shower, light swim, if it is not that deep and not dangerous. So I heard there are a few crocodiles that part of the place, in the corner there, and beautiful sitting place. ಹಾಂ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ವಿನೋದ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾಂ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ನಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲ.
ವಯನಾಡು
ಕೇರಳ
ಇಡೀ ಕೇರಳ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮತ್ತೇನು.
ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೇರಳ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಭಾರಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ,
ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ Malayali, but he can speak really good Kannada. So he was in Bangalore for say a few years ಅಲ್ಲ? ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? So he was there for years in Bangalore.
25 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ.
Oh, 15 years before he was in Bangalore. So ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನಾ? Okay, thank you. So these are the guys. They are really slow at walking and lazy to travel. They just want to be in one place and just explore close by places. Always like here we go. We start our journey from here to a river, and we're gonna do a camping here at night, do some campfire. Beautiful location. So I'm gonna really peaceful. You sit here day out and enjoy your day here with peace. Amazing place. Loving the weather. It's not that hot, not that cold, but in the evenings it's like full of fog. It covers up all over the place, and the mountain you can see or not, I don't know, but it covers up with full of fog, and this place, everything. Yeah, we can take shot. We can swim. We can come tomorrow or something to swim.
They give you this one, you know. You can go in this boat.
Will we go?
Hey, they take 200
Vinod
per
is
person
there.
in this boat.
Vinod is there. We can talk to him and we can take a small trip. It's a huge. There's a dam little further that side. So let's go and give a feed and a spa. So the fish is here. So now I'm gonna enjoy my peace out here, sit and spend some time with my friends. So till then, signing off. I'll be in touch with new videos, upcoming travel videos. So please do like and subscribe to my channel. Lovely place. Visit this place once and you have beautiful villas there. Amazing, the view. And stop it, guys.